I'm back again. A few weeks ago, I got a message from Juan Vargas. I'm sure I got that name correctly. And he asked me a question. Is Emmanuel, how do I use the audio play on this console? Um, it's very simple. Your audio play can only work on chase mode. So once you save your chase, like I have one chase here. Can you see that? This is a chase I saved a few days ago. So all you have to do is come to the sessions, the music sessions. Then you click on it. Now it's ready to work with your music. And all you have to do is to insert into those ports. Can you see audio? Then you insert your jar cable into this port, and you're ready to go. I don't have the cable here, but you can actually, one way to do that is tap the console itself. It start responding. Can you see that? I'm sure I'm able to answer your questions. If you have more questions, you can just send me a mail, then I'll be glad to answer it. Thank you.